Hey y'all, what we got here is a EXL 3-speed box fan. Finally got me one of these like this. It's a 3-speed. It's not the original blade. That's off my other one. The original blade for this one's ruined. It's sunburned. It's all, the leading edges are all curled up and cracking, and I gotta find another blade for it. But it's all cleaned up now with this one on it. Got this off Marketplace for free. She wanted $10 for it, but the switch was busted on it. So she said I could have it. So I got about 2 hours in driving and gas. I also bought that GE the same day I got this, so she added a different switch and knob. Still with the original feet. Back grate's kind of yellowed on it. That big old Hunter R&M motor or whatever. Hunter motor. It's not R&M. But anyways. Fire it up on high real quick. Of course it roars. Moves a crap ton of air. Medium, where it runs most of the time. And a nice quiet low. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching.